Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we've got our 2021 Ford F-150 here in the shop, and we'll be showing you how easy it is to swap out those dim, dingy factory halogen bulbs that come standard on this BLIS halogen tail lamp assembly or this non-BLIS equipped halogen tail light assembly. The installation between the two is essentially the same with some minor differences, and we'll highlight those as we go. And today we're going to be using our CREE MKIII tail light bulbs. These things are extremely bright. They look fantastic on the truck. Plus they're going to make you and your family safer at night because you're definitely going to stand out to other traffic. The installation is easy, so let's jump into it. Please take a quick second to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps other Ford owners just like you find our content. Thanks, we really appreciate your support. The first thing we need to do is remove the taillight assembly from the truck. Lower your tailgate and remove the two 5/16 inch bolts. Now we can pull the assembly directly away from the truck by pulling directly back and disconnecting the quick disconnects at the harnesses. With the counterclockwise turn, we can unlock the base of our turn signal bulb and pull it away from the assembly. Ensure that the factory bulb is not hot and firmly grasp it from the base and pull away from the socket. Now we can install our MKIII taillight bulb in its place. Next, reinstall the bulb and socket back into the taillight assembly and lock it into place using a clockwise turn. For non-BLIS equipped assemblies, you'll be using one red bulb for your running and brake light and one amber bulb as your turn signal. The amber bulb is located at the top of the assembly and the red bulb is located in the middle. With your bulbs installed, the last step is installing our custom resistor to prevent any hyperflashing or fast blinking inside the cab of your truck when you activate your turn signal. Ensure that where you're mounting your resistor will not come into contact with any wiring from the truck. The resistors will get hot, and any contact with wires or plastic can cause melting. Mark the mounting location and then drill a 5/64 inch pilot hole. Then use the included self-tapping screws to mount the custom resistor. Now we need to connect the resistor to the truck's harness using our easy quick splice connectors. Be sure to check the included 2021 and up Ford F-150 wiring guide to know which wires to splice to. To use a quick splice connector, wrap the open channel around the wire that you'd like to connect to. And then simply run your red wire in the innermost channel using pliers. Press down on the metal tab and it will connect the two wires together, and then you can fold over the protective top. With our bulbs and resistors installed, reconnect the harness from the truck to the harness connectors on your taillight assembly. Test the bulbs to ensure proper operation. If the bulbs do not light, flip them 180 degrees as they are polar sensitive. Now we can fully reinstall our tail lamp assemblies and reinstall our 5/16 inch bolts. So that's all there is to installing our CREE MKIII taillight LEDs here on your 2021 and up Ford F-150 series truck. They're extremely bright, they look fantastic, and they're going to make you and your family safer because your truck's going to stand out to others on the road. So we highly recommend the upgrade. You can check it out at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products for your Ford F-150 series truck. We truly appreciate your support and can't wait to see you at F150LEDs.com. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, guys.